Today, Kazakhstan demonstrates to the world how advanced technologies and fintech ecosystems can transform the everyday lives of millions of people, making services more accessible, efficient, and innovative. Please welcome the co-founder and CEO of Kaspi.kz, Kazakhstan's leading fintech super app, Mihail Lomtadze.
Welcome to Kazakhstan to all of you. Thank you, Mr. President, for advancing digital and AI agenda in Kazakhstan. I have said this many times, spending a lot of time with investors and foreign community. If not you, wouldn't be discussing this today. So thanks a lot. We, of course, as a company are extremely proud to be a general partner of this event. I am rarely in this suit, guys, so you know, sometimes when you put your suit like once in 6 months, you're realizing it's not the best fit. So I would like to address in the first instance, of course, all the students that have traveled from more than 100 countries. You are some of the best AI minds in the world. But at the same time, I would like to ask you a very simple question. So if machines can write the code, train models, or complete different tasks, what will make you guys special? And I think the answer is not simply that you can use AI or any technology better than others. Your real advantage is that you are human. Your values and your ability to decide what is right and what is wrong. It's your decision whether the technology you create will improve somebody's life and make life better in general. At Kaspi.kz, our mission is to improve people's lives. What we have learned that people value technology when it saves time, removes frustration, and helps them make better decisions. We recently launched Kasper, a Kazakhstan-built personal AI assistant, which is designed with that single purpose, to make life better, to simplify and help make the right decisions. When we were building the Kasper, we actually asked the question, what can we help a person do with this model? And that's really a very important question. So my first message to you guys is, don't really build the technology and look for the use case that you are trying to solve, and start really with a real human need. That is something which will make you different, will make you successful. You know, second message that I have for you is stay curious and humble and build relationships. My main conclusion from all the learnings that I've done from my high school, university, and the business school in States is actually look around and you actually see some of the colleagues that might work with you in the future that are different minds from different countries, you know, maybe co-founders, maybe research colleagues. The third message is never stop learning. When I was growing up, money sometimes was not enough to have the food. But my parents always made sure that I was learning and I had the tutors. And that actually changed my life. So it really pushed me to realize that learning is something which drives your progress, drives yourself, but also, you know, motivates you to become better every time. Your discipline and ability to learn is something which will stay always with you. And that will be your lasting advantage in any environment. So remember these three things: build technology that improves people's lives, and start from the need of the human or your customer. Stay curious and humble, and never stop learning. And I also hope that you will leave the country with the love and really desire to come back. Kaspi.kz was built here by people that believe in technology, and I think we're living proof that you don't really have to be born or work in Silicon Valley to create the great services and to create the great companies. Some of you will leave Astana with medals, but I think all of you should leave with something more important, is the confidence that you can build the future and actually the responsibility for it. So compete, don't give up, respect each other, learn, and the future is yours. Thank you, guys.